Kia tau te rangi Māori I runga I a koutou ngā tangata o tautahi, kia kaha, kia whakakotahi, kia maia, tūhia ki te rangi, tūhia ki te whenua, tūhia ki te ngā kau o ngā tangata, ko te mea nui ko te aroha. Te Reo Maori.
For Mariam Aref and for all Muslim Kiwis, Christchurch March 15 last year was the day the world fell apart.
It could have been any mosque. It could have been anyone's child. It could have been anyone's husband. I think that's what hit us the most, is we just felt like we were very exposed.
One year on, Arabic class with Gen Z Kiwi Muslims at Ikra Elementary, West Auckland. Arabic, the language of the Muslim holy book, is compulsory, so is English. But there's also Te Reo Maori.
Aho, koe, ia. So we're going to do it with the actions so that you guys don't forget. Aho, koe, ia. So aho, koe.
Mariam has been a Reo Maori speaker for the past 3 years.
My language is Arabic. I understand what it's like when you see your kids losing that language, because losing a part of that language is losing a part of their identity. A lot of parents that are struggling to teach their kids that, mother tongue are finding that the kids are also, struggling with their identity and identifying where they stand in the world, and that has a lot of repercussions. Who thinks they want to give it a shot? Okay, haere mai, ko ai koe? A lot of Māori can't speak Māori for a reason, and that's the core of what this tautoko is about. So when I say I tautoko iwi Māori, it's because I understand the reasons behind why they can't speak the reo. There's a lot of mamai there. As you can see, we pretty much trilingual or multilingual in the sense that we'll always have reo Pākehā, reo Arapi and reo Māori. Not just with kupu, but also just the topics, the selection of kaupapa as well. You can see matariki, yep, all sorts of things there.
While Te Reo Maori has helped with a sense of belonging, this community has a way to go yet before it feels acceptance. The attitudes that were here in Aotearoa before Christchurch, have they changed?
What we all got from Christchurch is we realised how bad things have gotten. There's no reason why we should feel threatened or feel hate or fear towards anyone else. Unfortunately, it's not only adults that are on the receiving end of this behaviour, it's also a lot of tamariki that are being subject to nasty comments and nasty behaviour like that, and what it's doing is it's causing them quite an identity crisis.
And 1 year on, as Aotearoa joins to acknowledge the agony of Christchurch, our Muslim community asks us to see them for who they are, different but the same.
At the end of the day, he te mea nui o te ao, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. So ahakoa kōwai, nohea, ahakoa tō hāhi, tō kākahu, e te mutinga o te rā, he Tāngata Tātou.